Futures Battle. We're excited to introduce our new gamification product, Battle. New users will be able to experience cryptocurrency transactions while playing. The rules are simple. Users only need to predict the short or long directions in the next 5 minutes and start the battle. And the players who predicted the opposite direction will be matched automatically. Beat the opponent to get points. How to participate in the battle. Users can participate in the battle by clicking Battle under Derivatives to enter the page, and click the button to get started. You can also use Binance app to join the futures battle and follow the steps. You're there. If you are a new futures user, you need to open a futures account and transfer assets to your coin-margined futures wallet. The battle currently supports BTC, USD, coin-margined perpetual contracts. That means your collateral is BTC. You can click the button to purchase or click Transfer to transfer the corresponding assets to your coin-margined futures wallet. Choose your desired contract size and direction. If you expect prices to rise within the next 5 minutes, select Long. Conversely, if you expect prices to fall, select Short. When an opponent is automatically matched, the battle will start with a 5-minute countdown. Please make sure that you have no open position or pending order against you before the battle. Otherwise, you will not be able to join in. How to win in a battle. You may choose to end the battle manually after a 30 seconds countdown when the End Battle button appears, or wait for the position to be auto-closed. As long as you predict the right direction, you can win. During the battle process, in the middle of the bar is the latest price of the perpetual contract, which changes in real time. Below the left and right bars, it shows the trigger prices for you winning or loses. As long as the progress of the bar exceeds the set range, the game will end and determine whether you win or lose at this time based on the results. In addition, the close button appears after 30 seconds of the countdown, and you can choose to end battle manually. If you do nothing, the system will automatically end the battle after the 5-minute countdown ends. Battle for win. Experience the game today.